Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please feel free to hit that subscribe button, it really helps out. And on today's video, we're going to be jumping back into our 2018 Chevy Cruze LT, and we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter. So stick around if you'd like to see how we do it. Alright guys, so in order to go on ahead and get this cabin air filter replaced, we're going to need to pop off this panel first right here. In order to do that, I'm just going to use this pry tool that I have right here. And you just want to get it up in here and kind of pop this out, and there's some speed clips that just hold this in right here. Alright, now that we have the side piece off, we're going to move over to the center console right here, and we're just going to kind of reach under here, and we're just going to kind of pop out some of the clips right here. So this just pops open like that. We can take this whole panel out. Alright, now after we take off the side panel down here, one thing you will want to do next is you want to come into the center console area right here and reach up into here and pop this middle cover off. So pop that out of there. Okay, now that we got this centerpiece out of here, we're gonna wanna come over here and we're gonna wanna pop this piece over. So it's just held in with some speed clips. You just reach in and kind of pop it open a little bit right here. Now we're gonna go on ahead and pop this down, and we're gonna start removing our bolts. So for the bolts, there's going to be, from my understanding, there's gonna be one right here. There's gonna be one over here, one down here, and then there should be one down in the middle underneath right up in here. If you fill right up in there, you'll fill a hole right there. Feels like mine is missing right here, so I'm not going to worry about that one, but I believe there usually is one right up in this little section underneath the glove box right here. So besides this bolt right here, which mine is missing, so I'm not going to worry about that, there should also be a little pop rivet right here that you got to pop that out in order to get this out here. Go. That's it. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's going to be another bolt right down here. There we go. Alright guys, so now that we got the glove box out of here, here's where our cabin filter is going to be found. So there's a little clip on the side. You just pop that open here, and one over on this side. And then you can fold it down, and there's our cabin air filter. Alright, now with the new air filter right here, we're going to go on ahead and install it with the arrows pointing down is what the instructions say for it. So we'll just slide this back into here, close this up, and that should be it. And then we'll just put everything back the way we got it out. Alright, now installing the centerpiece right here, there's two little clips down at the bottom right here. You want to make sure that those go into these little holes right here. So you just slide them into there. And then you just push up and push in from down here with your thumb, and it should just pop right in there. Alright, now our last thing is to pop on this cover right here. So it's just going to slide in like so, right here to the side, just a little bit underneath the weather stripping. And then from there, we should be able to go on ahead and get everything lined up, and then it should just pop all back in right there. Alright guys, so that is it. So everything is back to normal right there, and that takes care of that. Alright guys, so that is how you replace the cabin air filter in your 2018 Chevy Cruze LT. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out, and we'll see you in the next project. Thanks.